Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we got electrical tester equipment. This item is from Fluke. It's called as T6-600 electrical tester. So we're gonna open it, unbox it, and look at the features, what it can do. Okay, so let's go. After you open your box, so it includes with these items. So first of all, is just a quick review about the product, the T6-600 series, and at the back it has all the specifications. Just a quick specifications of the T6 series. So put it here. So Fluke included with the TPX cap kit ops, so it's free inside the box included here. So this is a T6 series guide and also the user manual. So it's very clean and very safe. So it's going green. And here is the T6-600 electrical tester from Fluke.